Hello everyone! Welcome back to another fun math lesson. Today, we're going to explore perfect cubes and cube roots. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how they work and how to solve them. First, let's talk about perfect cubes. A perfect cube is a product of a rational number multiplied by itself 3 times. A number that can be expressed as n cubed, where n is an integer. For example, we have 2 cube and 3 cube. So 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 is being multiplied by itself 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So what is 2 times 2? It's 4 times 2, it's equal to 8. Next, how about 3 cube? So we have 3 times 3 times 3. Again, the number or the base is being multiplied by itself 3 times. What is 3 times 3? 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Okay, so therefore 3 cube is equal to 27. Now, what about cube roots? It is the inverse operation of cubing. If cubing means multiplying a number by itself 3 times, then finding the cube root means asking, what number when multiplied by itself 3 times will give me this number? For the cube root of n, it is written as this way, where n is the radicand, this symbol is the radical sign, and 3 is our index. For example, you have the cube root of 8, meaning the cube root of what number is when you multiply by itself 3 times, the result is 8. Okay, that is 2 times 2 times 2. So therefore, the cube root of 8 is equal to 2. Next, the cube root of 27. What numbers when you multiply by itself 3 times, the result is 27. So that is the cube root of 3 times 3 times 3. And that is 3. Okay. Help me in answering the following. So we have here the cube root of 64. So again, let's think of a number that when you multiply by itself 3 times, the result is 64. So that is 4 times 4 times 4. So the cube root of 64 is equal to 4. How about 125? So that is 5 times 5 times 5. And that is 5. So what about the cube root of 512? So the cube root of 512 is equal to, okay, let's think of a number that when we multiply by itself 3 times, the result is 512. Very good. That is 8 times 8 times 8. And that is, the cube root of 512 is equal to 8. How about the cube root of 343? Very good. So that is 7 times 7 times 7. That is 7. The cube root of 216. So that is 6 times 6 times 6. So that is 6. Now comment your answer for the cube root of 729. Again, perfect cubes and cube roots are like partners. One builds a number and the other breaks it down. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Math Teacher God. See you in our next video. Bye-bye!